Hi everyone, this is Mark from Dynamic Sport Physio. Today we have Francis here. Hi Francis.
Hi, how are you?
Francis is a professional combat fighter, athlete.
Yes, I am. Yeah. So I'm a professional Muay Thai fighter. I've been competing actually since the age of 8, been traveling back and forth from Thailand to here, competing.
From 8?
Yeah, from the age of 8. Yeah, competing from the age of 8. Oh. I've taken time off here and there, so obviously can concentrate on my studies and be able to work as well too. And in the last few years, I've just concentrated on competing professionally in Muay Thai. So yeah,
amazing. Yeah. So Francis has a fight coming up.
Yes, I do.
Just in a few weeks' time.
Yes, in 2.5 weeks' time, I've got the opportunity to go down to Melbourne on a promotion called Hardcore, and it's probably one of Australia's most premier Muay Thai promotions. And we had the opportunity to go down, and we just had to take it. So yeah, and it's looking good. So,
amazing. Yeah. So Francis right now in his training period, working up towards a fight, and the intensity I can imagine is going to be so intense on the body. So there's a lot of work happening. And of course, recovery is one of the important things that Francis is doing.
Yes, 100%.
Can you talk to us about the different strategies you're using as a professional fighter?
Yeah, so first and foremost, coming into here to the physio, especially working with Mark and the team, they've been looking after me really well, just working on my range of movement and just kind of getting everything out and making sure that my mobility is working, and just bringing my body up to 100% so I'm able to go into the next training sessions as well too. Another recovery sessions that I do is I do my hot and cold treatments, my saunas, and also my leg compressions as well too. So
how cold is the cold?
It does vary from time to time. The place that I go to is called Phoenix Remedial Recovery Center, which is located in Camp Hill. They do have a few ice baths there. The one that I do goes down to 1 degree, which is really cold. But they do have a couple other ice baths, which is a 3-degree ice bath, and then they've got one that goes from 6 to 8 degrees.
Wow. So ice bath helps us to decrease the inflammation in the muscles, and that actually speeds up the recovery, so you can actually make it to your next session. So you're not lingering around with that inflammation in your muscles. It resolves really fast. And plus the mobility work, so you do lose range when you train at a high intensity. So range is so important, so you can actually move.
Yes, most definitely, and I can definitely vouch for that, especially training 6 times a week. And, we're doing a lot of punching, a lot of kicking, a lot of strikes and stuff like that. Range of movement is very important. I would have to say one of the most important things that we need to work on.
So, it's often ignored.
Yes. Oh, definitely. Yeah. Often ignored by most athletes in general, actually. So,
So Francis, you do coach some of the more junior fighters?
Yes, I do. Fighters? So I do coach our junior team, our amateur team as well too. We've got a good amateur team as well. Last year, we actually went undefeated for 2023. So, that I think speaks volume on our gym as well too. So,
So what do you think? What's the chance of me joining in?
Yeah, 100%. Definitely join in. I definitely see Mark in the gym. So we cater to everyone. So if you want to come join in. I definitely will be seeing Mark coming in. So we can't wait for that. So
I'm excited. How long do you think it will take for me to actually join in a fight?
In a fight? Who knows? So but you never know.
Right?
So
Thank you so much, Francis.
No, thank you.
So this is a quick journey of how a professional combat athlete does his workout and recovery, and I hope this is of help to you. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below in the comments box. So I'm Francis, and I can get and reply you to answer your questions. Otherwise, until next time, thank you, Francis.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.